series, we will discuss different topics associated with sports nutrition and weight management. But today in particular, we will discuss the topic Introduction to Sports Nutrition Part 2. So athletes and professionals, coaches are more aware than ever before of the importance of sports nutrition and nutrition in sports. While there is an era of factors that contributes to an athlete's overall performance in their chosen sports. Food is a critical piece to the puzzle, providing the energy needed. The approach to nutrition in sports is different from that of nutrition for overall health. This lecture helps to shed some light. If you would like to know more about this sports nutrition and weight control and performance. So nutrition is clearly important to everyone, whether we are talking about keeping our hair healthy or wanting a healthy complexion. We all know that nutrition is a key component. But when we discuss sports nutrition, we are not only talking about being healthy, we are talking about maximizing performance. Too often, nutrition is either overlooked or forgotten. However, when interviews are held with top competing athletes, they all reference their diets. While there are numerous benefits of sports nutrition, the following 6 are being highlighted because they benefit the athletes the most. So, let's see the importance of sports nutrition, and the first one is delay the onset of fatigue. So the first benefit of sports nutrition is delaying the onset of fatigue. This is so important to the athlete, whether in the gym or during an event. How many times as an athlete have you gone into the gym with a good mindset to work out, but your body just didn't have the power to maximize the workout? The second one is enhance concentration. The second benefit of sports nutrition is enhance concentration. Remember, your brain cells only fuel with blood sugar. That means if you are not eating well, your brain can't function at its peak. And if your brain isn't functioning at its peak, neither you are. Then train harder. The third benefit of sports nutrition is being able to train harder, longer, with the proper fuel in your body. Your muscle have easy access to the energy they need. With this energy, they perform better and can sustain and maximize your workout. Then reduce injuries. The fourth benefit of sports nutrition is the reduction of sports related injuries too often. If an athlete is loaded up on carbohydrates and not consuming enough protein or not consume enough calories, injuries will not only begin to happen, but they will be slow to heal. Then preparation for the next day. The fifth benefit of sports nutrition is its ability to prepare the body for the next day workout. Many of us have heard of glycogen replacement and the need to consume adequate amount of carbohydrates immediately following a workout. This is so important to help ensure the athlete will remain strong day after day. Now, improve body composition. The sixth benefit of sports nutrition is its ability to help improve the body composition. Improving body composition is just like building a house. If you have everything you need except for one thing like nails, then the house isn't going to be built properly. So the same holds true for your body. Now, nutrition in sports versus health. So, what exactly is sports nutrition? Athletes require different quantities of nutrients than non-athletes. Hence, sports nutrition differs from conventional nutrition. To perform at your best, you must work out hard and nourish your body properly. As well as balanced diet cannot be substituted or supplemented. Only foods can provide nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. However, certain diets such as low carb diets or ketogenic diets may present challenges for athletes looking to improve their performance. Conventional nutrition focuses on providing the right amount of food groups like fruits and vegetables, whole grains and protein to ensure that you get all the nutrients you need. This is important for healthy adults who are not involved in intense exercise programs. However, athletes need more than just a balanced diet. They also require specific nutrients in adequate amount. For example, athletes who train intensely on a daily basis should consider taking iron supplements because of the blood loss associated with activity. Similarly, people who are participating in multiple sports events per year should be sure to include vitamins and mineral supplements in their diets to ensure that they get the nutrients they need. So, sports nutrition involves the study of nutrients and their role in athletic performance. It also includes the dietary management of illness, injury prevention, and recovery. Your personal trainer or coach can help you determine which foods are best for your sport and what supplement might benefit your performance. Now, why should athletes follow a healthy diet? So, this is a very common question which comes every athlete's mind. So, sporting performance may be improved with proper diet. A well-planned, healthy diet should fulfill the majority of an athlete's vitamin and mineral requirements, as well as offer adequate protein to stimulate muscle development and repair. A nutrition plan that includes foods that are high in complex carbohydrates and low in processed sugar will help fuel your body during exercise. Sports drink containing sodium chloride and sugar do not improve performance and are not recommended before exercising. So, eat food that are high in complex carbohydrates and low in processed sugar to keep yourself feeling full for longer. This will help you avoid eating extra calories or losing control of your food intake during competition or training sessions. So, healthy diets include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, fish and meat with no more than 20% of your daily calories coming from fat, 10%, from saturated fats, 2%, from trans fat, no trans fat. You should also need to get enough calcium and iron to make sure your bones and blood are healthy. During sports, certain vitamins and minerals can be lost through sweat and urine. Eating a balanced diet that includes some nutritious snacks and meal throughout the day will keep you performing at your best. Now, factors to consider while developing a healthy diet plan. So, factors to consider before planning a diet are Before choosing a proper diet, you should consider all the relevant factors in order to be able to achieve your goals, such as your body type, whether your body is ectomorph, endomorph or mesomorph, any sign of food intolerance or food sensitivity that can affect your health and weight, your family's medical or genetic background, amount of nutrition you need for your age, whether it's important to be toned and get skinner, amount of weight you need to lose in your optimal weight range, your lifestyle and your diet budget. So these are the factors considered before planning the diet. Now, it is not easy to get out of old habits. So it takes courage and determination and patience to fit yourself into a new change. Once you have decided, the journey is half done. So various factors can contribute to helping you get along the rest of the journey. The above concept can be easily applied to people trying to develop a healthy diet routine. Our taste buds are habitual to what we have been eating to date, and it takes a lot to get into developing a healthy eating habits. To succeed in developing a healthy diet routine, there are three major deciding factors. For example, mind, body and attitude. So let us try to understand the factors that can help you develop a sustainable healthy diet routine. So the first one is know your goal. Diet differs for a person who wants to lose weight, maintain weight or gain weight or maybe prevent health problems. According to a goal, the body needs require dietary intake. Then second one is include a variety of food. A healthy diet does not indicate eating healthy food repeatedly, but the diet routine must be filled with different fruits and vegetables, nuts, low-fi dairy products, seeds, lean protein, etc. Then include a variety of flavors. So while adding a variety of healthy foods, it is important to try different flavors and textures. Adding various flavors and textures can keep you away from getting bored and foods, and it also expands your food choices. Then choose a small portion. Choosing a small plate can help limit your food intake. This keeps the amount of food you eat under control. Then stay away from sugary food and high sodium diets. While planning a healthy diet, make sure to discard sugary food and drinks. Avoid eating junk foods as these foods are high in sodium. Now plan diet depending on age and health conditions. What you plan to eat depends on the health, age and condition of the patient. For example, pregnant women, aged people or a child need a different diet plan that can meet their body's requirement. Then check if you are allergic to any food. While making a diet plan, consider the foods that act as allergens. Keep such foods away from any food recipe and check for allergens while shopping or grocery. Then choose foods that are healthy and pocket friendly. Following a healthy diet plan is not for a day or two. For a fruitful result, it is important to make it a habit, and this requires you to eat something that will not hurt your pocket. Going for seasonal fruits and vegetables are cheap and easily available. then planning comes before execution, right? So planning your meals can help you make a healthy choice and prevent you from eating avoidable foods. Now we have come to conclusion. So nutrition is a critical for maximizing both health and performance. Sports nutrition is a frequently the missing element in personal performance. Nutrition will help modify body composition, while training, commitment, and mental attitude are all important to an athlete's success. Without sports nutrition, it is like a race car starting the race with only a half tank of gas or fuel. So, it can be a little complicated to plan a diet with certain health problems or when you have a goal to lose weight or gain weight. In such cases, it is recommended to consult a dietitian. Taking professional help can make you achieve your goal and keep you motivated to stick to a healthy diet plan. So, develop a healthy diet routine, stay energetic and keep yourself from health problems. I hope you all understood about role of nutrition in sports, importance of sports nutrition and factors to consider while developing diet plan. That's all for today. See you next time with some other interesting topic. Thank you.